How to fix friend list not showing in League of Legends. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix friend list not showing problem in League of Legends. So before trying more technical solutions, you can check the server status page on Riot Games website or other reliable sources. If the servers are down, wait for it to be resolved, and after that you can restart the game and client. And a simple restart of the League of Legends clients can resolve temporary glitches, close the client entirely, including any background processes, and reopen it to see if the friend list issue resolves itself. And after that, you can restart your network connection. If you're suspecting a network issue, try resetting your connection, restart your router, use LAN cable for more stability. Try to use a VPN if your current network is facing restrictions or blockages to the LOL servers, that's League of Legends servers, and you can repair your League of Legends client. And after that, you can update the League of Legends client, ensure your client is up to date. If your client hasn't updated properly, then exit and reopen the client to check for updates manually. And if that doesn't work with you, then you can disable firewall or antivirus temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software and check if the friend list appears. If it does, add League of Legends to your firewalls or antivirus exception list. And if all the solutions doesn't work with you, you can reinstall the game. Just if none of the several solution work, try installing the game, like uninstall League of Legends from your system, download the latest version of the League of Legends from the official website, reinstall and check if the friend list issue is resolved. And make sure to leave a comment and let me know which solution work with you, and see you on the next video.